Now we will solve questions from practice set 3.5. Question number 1. Find the value of the polynomial 2x minus 2x cube plus 7 using given values for x. Find the value of the polynomial 2x minus 2x cube plus 7 using given values for x. First value of x is given x equal to 3. Second is given x equal to minus 1 and third is given x equal to 0. So first sub question is x equal to 3. The value of x is given x equal to 3 and you have to find out the value of the polynomial 2x minus 2x cube plus 7 when x equal to 3. So solution, given polynomial is p of x equals 2x minus 2x cube plus 7. Now put x equal to 3 in this given polynomial. X equal to 3. So for p of x, write here p of 3 equal to 2x means 2 into 3 minus 2x cube means minus 2 into 3 cube. X cube means 3 cube. Then plus 7 plus 7. So p of 3 equal to 2 into 3 minus 2 into 3 cube plus 7. Now 2 into 3 means 2 3s are 6. Then put here minus. 3 cube means 27 and 27 into 2 is 54. So write here 54 plus 7 plus 7. So 6 minus 54 plus 7. Now 6 minus 54 is minus 48. Positive, one is positive, another is negative. So subtract both number and sign of a greater magnitude. So 6 minus 54 is minus 48 plus 7 plus 7. Now minus 48 plus 7 is minus 41 minus 41. So p of 3 equal to minus 41. So the value of this polynomial when x equal to 3 is minus 41. Second sub question. Now the value of x is minus 1. X equal to minus 1. Solution. The given polynomial is p of x equal 2x minus 2x cube plus 7. Now for this x, put minus 1. So p of x means p of minus 1 equal to 2x means 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1. Then minus, put here minus. 2x cube means 2 into minus 1 cube. Minus 1 cube plus 7. So write here plus 7. Therefore, p of minus 1 equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 cube plus 7. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Then cube of negative is negative. So minus minus plus. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 7 minus 2 plus 2 plus 7. Now minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So here plus 7 only. So p of minus 1 equal to 7. So the value of this polynomial when x equal to minus 1 is 7. Therefore p of minus 1 is equal to 7. Students, third sub question is homework. Now question number 2. Question number 2. For each of the following polynomial, find p of 1, p of 0 and p of minus 2. For each of the following polynomial, find p of 1, p of 0 and p of minus 2. So, three sub questions are given. First one, p of x equal to x cube. For this polynomial, you have to find out p of 1, p of 0 and p of minus 2. Next, second sub question is p of y equal to y square minus 2y plus 5. For this polynomial also, you have to find out p of 1, p of 0 and p of minus 2. Third one is given p of x equal to x raised to power 4 minus 2x square minus x. For this polynomial also, you have to find out p of 1, p of 0 and p of minus 2. Now first sub question, p of x equal to x cube. First polynomial is given p of x equal to x cube. For this polynomial, you have to find out p of 1, p of 0 and p of minus 2. So given polynomial is p of x equal to x cube. Now first find out p of 1. P of 1 means put x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1. So p of x means p of 1 equal to x cube means 1 cube. So p of 1 equal to 1. 1 cube is 1. So p of 1 equal to 1. Next is you have to find out p of 0. P of 0 means put x equal to 0. So p of 0, p of x. So here p of 0 equal to x cube means 0 cube. Therefore p of 0 equal to 0. 0 cube means 0. So p of 0 equal to 0. Next is you have to find out p of minus 2. P of minus 2 means put x equal to minus 2. For this x put minus 2. So p of x means p of minus 2 equal to x cube means minus 2 cube. Now for x you have to put minus 2. So equal to minus 2 cube. Therefore p of minus 2 equal to cube of 2 is 8 and cube negative minus 2 cube. Okay, cube of negative number is negative. Therefore minus 2 cube means minus 8. Therefore p of minus 2 equal to minus 8. So for this polynomial p of 1 is 1, p of 0 is 0 and p of minus 2 is minus 8. Second sub question. Next polynomial is given p of y equal to y square minus 2y plus 5. Next polynomial is p of y equal to y square minus 2y plus 5. Again for this polynomial you have to find out p of 1, p of 0 and p of minus 2. So solution, first find out p of 1. P of 1 means put y equal to 1. Put y equal to 1. Therefore p of 1 equal to y square means 1 square minus 2y means minus 2 into 1 plus 5 plus 5. So p of 1 equal to 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 5. Now 1 square means 1 minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 plus 5 plus 5. So equal to 1 minus 2 plus 5. Now 1 minus 2 is minus 1 and minus 1 plus 5 is 4. Therefore p of 1 equal to 4. P of 1 equal to 4. Next find out p of 0 for same polynomial. Next p of 0. So p of 0 equal to 0 square. Y square means 0 square. Then minus 2y means minus 2 into 0. Next is plus 5. So here plus 5. So p of 0 equal to 0 square minus 2 into 0 plus 5. 0 square means 0. 2 into 0 is also 0 plus 5 plus 5. Therefore p of 0 is equal to 5. P of 0 is equal to 5. Now next you have to find out p of minus 2. Again p of minus 2 means put y equal to minus 2. So p of y means p of minus 2 equal to minus 2 into y means minus 2 into minus 2. And then next is plus 5 means so plus 5. So p of minus 2 equal to minus 2 square minus 2 into minus 2 plus 5. Now square of negative number is positive. So 2 square minus 2 square is 4. So write here 4. Now minus minus plus 2 into 2 is 4. So here plus 4 plus 5 then plus 5 equal to 4 plus 4 plus 5. Therefore p of minus 2 equal to 13. 4 plus 4 is 8 and 8 plus 5 is 13. Therefore p of minus 2 equal to 13. So for this polynomial p of 1 is 4, p of 0 is 5 and p of minus 2 is 13. Students, third sub question is homework. Now question number 3. If the value of the polynomial m cube plus 2m plus a is 12 for m equal to 2, then find the value of a. If the value of the polynomial m cube plus 2m plus a is 12 for m equal to 2, then find the value of a. Solution. P of m. One polynomial is given. P of m equal to m cube plus 2m plus A, and value of this P of M is also given, that is 12, and the value of M for M equal to 2. So put M equal to 2. It is given in question. So P of M means P of 2. M equal to 2 is given. So substitute here 2. P of 2 equal to M cube means 2 cube. Plus 2 into M means 2 into 2 plus A. So 2 cube is 8. Plus 2 into 2 is 4 plus A. So equal to 8 plus 4 plus A. Therefore, P of 2 equal to 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus A. 12 plus A. But P of 2 equal to 12, it is given. P of 2 equal to 12 is given in your question. The value of the polynomial is 12. So, the value of this polynomial is 12. So, but P of 2 equal to 12. So, for this P of 2, substitute here 12. 12. So 12 plus A equal to 12. 12 plus A equal to 12. 12 plus A equal to 12. So A equal to 12 minus 12. Simple transposition. A equal to 12 minus 12, that is 0. Therefore A is equal to 0. The value of A is 0. Therefore A is equal to 0. Now question number 4. For the polynomial mx square minus 2x plus 3, if p of minus 1 equal to 7, then find m. For the polynomial mx square minus 2x plus 3, if p of minus 1 equal to 7, then find m. So solution, one polynomial is given. So p of x equal to mx square minus 2x plus 3, it is given. And P of minus 1, if P of minus 1 equal to 7 also given, means put x equal to minus 1 here. So P of minus 1 equal to m into mx square means m into minus 1 square minus 2x means minus 2 into minus 1 plus 3 plus 3. So square of negative number is positive. So m into 1 is m. Minus minus plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 plus 3. So P of minus 1 equal to m plus 2 plus 3. Therefore P of minus 1 equal to m plus 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. But P of minus 1 equal to 7, it is given. It is given in your question. P of minus 1 equal to 7 is given. So therefore m plus 5 equal to 7. For this P of minus 1, substitute 7. Therefore m plus 5 equal to 7. Now simple transposition. M equal to 7 minus 5. M equal to 7 minus 5. Therefore m equal to 2. Therefore m equal to 2.